Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Yosef, and I'm here to help you with fill in the blank proofs. So, what we're doing here today is we're going to look at this trapezoid, and we're going to see that what is given to us is the fact that it is a trapezoid. So, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to write that statement right here so we can start this problem off strong. And then we can actually look at the problem and see what we want to find. I think here we're trying to prove that triangle AED is similar to CEB. So let's see if we can first find those triangles. So this is one triangle. There we go. And then my other triangle, let's use the color yellow, will be CEB, which is right here. And as you can see, my coloring skills are on point. I always won all the contests when it came to coloring. So here we go. So I hope the first thing that pops up to you, like when I look at this, I am immediately drawn to the fact that I see some vertical angles right here. So vertical angles kind of look like that X. And if you look opposite to them, they're always congruent. So is there any statement here that says that? I think there is not one. So this is interesting that the fact that the first thing that popped up to me was vertical angles, but it's not here, so I can't use it, but it doesn't mean it's not true. So just keep that in mind. That's what popped up to me. And if you were doing a freehand proof, you could definitely use that. So I am told here that AD is parallel to BC. And a lot of students struggle with this one because they're not sure the reason why. Like, are you telling me that this is true? Or do I have to prove that it's true? So I am telling you that it is true, but you must give me a reason why. And if you know anything about trapezoids, you should know that every trapezoid contains one pair of parallel sides. So that is our reason for this one. It's called the definition of a trapezoid. So I hope that makes sense, that the fact is that every trapezoid has a pair of parallel sides. So next it says that angle ADE, which is this right here, is congruent to CBD, which is here. And I think we can recognize that if we have two parallel lines that are cut by a transversal line, so this is my transversal line, it is being cut by two parallel lines, that is alternate interior angles. And that's kind of funny because if you see on the next line, that's also a reason. So I'm guessing here they are going to describe the other ones, which is right here and right here. So now we can say that angle EAD is congruent to angle ECB. So I want to make sure that I wrote that correctly. So we have EAD is congruent to ECB. And to get a little technical here, we should normally want to match the corresponding sides. So I'm just going to write this a little differently. I'm going to actually write angle DAE is congruent to angle BCE. That just helps with matching up the sides. And then here, do we have enough information? I believe we do. We just showed that two angles are congruent in the trapezoid, so now we can just say the angle-angle theorem. I just wanted to make sure to go over that one since we did not in class. Thank you.